Hi everyone, today we will be build body mass index application with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. What is body mass index? Body mass index is a person's weight in kilograms or pounds divided by the square of height in meters or feet. It measures whether your weight is normal or subnormal or obese according to certain categories. Let's get started. First, we create a div called container. There will be two divs in this div. This will be weight value and height value. And class name BMI. And we create input type range. And it will have a minimum value 20 and maximum value 200. And ID rate and value 20. And when this input value changes, the calculate function will run. We use onInput. Okay. We create a span ID rate value and 20 kilogram. We do the same for the height value. We copy that and minimum 100, maximum 250 and value 100 and ID 8 value and 100 centimeter. And the results will show up in the paragraph tag. And ID results and status. Okay. The first value is the body mass index value and the second value is the body mass index state. Now let's move on to CSS. As usual, padding and margin will be 0 and box sizing border box. Let's add style to the body. Height 100 width per height and width 100%. We are changing the background color. I have already created this. Okay. Display flags, align item center, and justify content center to center all divs on the page. Okay. Add a style to the container. Background color will be black and opacity will be 0.2. Padding 40 pixels from top and bottom and 30 pixels from left to right. Okay. It will have a width of 50% and minimum width 400 pixel. Okay. And border radius 5 pixel. font family, font servouts. And we add box shadow, 25 pixel, 25 pixel, 30 pixel, and black, and opacity 0.15. Okay. We add style, BMI, this means of body mass index, display flex, align item center, and justify content space between. And margin bottom 40 pixel. We add style to the span inside the BMI div. Font weights will be 500. Now let's add style to the inputs. Width will be 70%, height 3.5 pixel, appearance none, and background color gray, and border radius 3 pixel, and finally outline none. Okay, now we will add style to the slider inside the range. Inputs, type, appearance none, height and width 1 rem, and background color will be white, border radius 50%, and cursor pointer. Okay. We add style to the weight value and height value. Color will be white. Okay. Let's add style to the result paragraph tag. Font size 2 rem, font weight 700, letter spacing 1 pixel, and text align center. And color, first value will be green. Okay. Let's add style to the status paragraph tag. Font size will be 1.15 rem, text align center, letter spacing 1 pixel, and color will be white. Anyway, now let's move on to JavaScript and create a function and body mass index calculator. I just set the wrong color, that's what's going to happen. Okay, firstly we create a function called calculate. Then we create an empty variable called BMI. We create a variable called results. This variable will fetch result ID. Then we create a variable for the rate value together with parse integer documents get elements by ID rate value. Then we reach rate value with documents get element by ID rate value. This is the span that will print the rates with text contents. We will create this inside the div rates plus kilogram. Okay, we do the same for the height. We copy that. This variable called height. ID height and height value height and centimeter. Okay, we do the same this. Now let's define the BMI. I explained this at the beginning of the video. Math power 8 divide 100 2 to fixed and 1. Result text content is equal to BMI value. Now let's use the if-else method to define the BMI state according to height and weight value. First, let's get the status paragraph tag and document get element by ID status. Text content is equal to BMI status. Okay, if BMI is less than 18.5, then BMI status is equal to underweight, and results style color is equal to okay. Else if BMI is greater than 18.5 and BMI is less than 24.5, his BMI status is equal to normal rates, and result style color is equal to okay. Check that. Oh, sorry. And else if BMI is greater than 25, and so it is 9, and BMI is less than 29.9. BMI status is equal to rates and results style. Color is. Finally, above all these values, BMI status is equal to obese and results style color is red. And let's test it now. Yes, that's it. As you can see, it calculates according to the entered height and weight value. Okay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video.